How to make a work profile using EMM. Step 1. Register successfully and logging into the Nova EMM dashboard. Step 2. On the Nova EMM dashboard, click on Getting Started to create a profile and generate a QR code. To create profile and QR code using Getting Started feature, you can watch video clicking on above eye icon. Step 3. On Play Store, search for Android device policy and install. Step 4. Once the device privacy policy is installed, camera is open. Scan generated QR code from the EMM dashboard. Once the QR code is scanned, the work profile screen will come. Click Agree on it. Step 5. This process will take around 2 to 3 minutes to create a work profile. Step 6. Once your work profile is set up, you can see the work profile screen that has all work apps approved by the EMM dashboard. You will see on the work profile screen all work applications with the briefcase icon. You can manage your work profile from the EMM dashboard and install and uninstall apps.